Welcome to the Aerial Drone Competition Mission 2023 Blackout. Students from aerial drone competition teams will have the opportunity to show off their drone piloting, programming, teamwork, and communication skills. There are two ways to compete in an aerial drone competition: piloting teamwork matches and autonomous flight skills matches. In a piloting teamwork match, teams compete in a 2-minute match on a 24-foot by 24-foot competition field. Each head-to-head match is played by two alliances, one red and one blue, made up of two teams each. Teams on an alliance work together to maximize their score while trying to outscore the opposing alliance. The primary game objects are blue, white, and red balls. There are a total of 74 balls in an aerial drone competition blackout match: 36 red, 36 blue, and 2 white. Each white ball is 55 millimeters in diameter, and all blue and red balls are 40 millimeters in diameter. Each alliance has 2 starting lanes, each filled with 18 blue or red balls. Completely clearing one of your starting lanes will earn your alliance 10 points. Balls can be scored in the 5 goals on the field. The alliance with the higher number of their colored balls scored in a goal at the end of the match will own that goal and earn 10 points. If there is one white ball in a goal at the end of the match, the alliance that owns that goal will earn an additional 11 points. As the match draws to a close, each team will have to decide between one of the 4 locations to land their drone to earn points. A team will earn 5 points if they land on a landing pad of their own alliance color. Teams can earn higher points by landing in their alliance blackout zone. Teams may only enter the blackout zone during the last 45 seconds of the match and must fly through both keyhole gates first. Once in the blackout zone, pilots will not be able to see behind the blackout curtain and will need to use their visual observers to guide them to landing. Communication skills will be critical. Landing on the floor of the blackout zone earns 15 points. Landing on the large landing site earns 25 points, and landing on the small landing site earns 40 points. Teams will also have the opportunity to compete in autonomous flight skills matches, in which they have 60 seconds of autonomous drone operation to score points. No pilots allowed. For official game rules for the Aerial Drone Competition Mission 2023 Blackout, please see the Aerial Drone Competition Game Manual found at roboticseducation.org. To register a team, find events near you, or ask questions on an official Q&A, please visit robotevents.com. Good luck and have a great season.